going to start the statics only, but we are going to start the mean. Sorry, mean we have completed, but now we are going to start the quartile now. Quartile means median, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So last time also in class 9 also we have already learned Q1, lower quartile, upper quartile, and family. Okay. So individual series, discrete series, n plus 1 by 40th item. Okay. So how about questions we have learned in class 9. Hope you have remember. So continuous series को चाहिँ पढेको थिएन in class 9. Now in class 10 we will not learn this one. Individual series and discrete series we are not going to learn. We are just going to continue the continuous series only 10 to 20, 20, 30 यस्तो खालको चाहिँ. So are going to start it. Okay, so we are going to learn this topic. So look at here. So lower quartile, first quartile, Q1. Okay, so this means all same thing. So median means Q2, upper quartile means Q3. Otherwise, we can call it third quartile also. Okay, so तीनटा नाम छ. So जुन भनेर आउन सक्छ. Find the Q3 भनेर आउन सक्छ. So Q3 को सट्टामा find the third quartile. Third quartile means Q3. Quartile means Q. Okay, so third means it is 3. Q3. Upper means the biggest one. So 1, 2, 3. Which one is biggest? So 3 is biggest. So upper means Q3. Okay, कसैले सोच्ला upper भनेको सबभन्दा माथिको. So upper means Q1. So it is not like that. Eh? Lower भनेको तलको, that is it is Q3 होइन यस्तो होइन. Upper means, so lower means सानो. Which one is सानो? So Q1 is smaller. Okay, smallest. So Q1 is the smallest. So lower quartile means Q1. Otherwise we can call it Q3 as a Q1. Otherwise first quartile. So median we can call it as Q2 also, second quartile also. Okay, so normally we just call it median only. And upper quartile or the third quartile, Q3, they are all same thing. Okay, so this all formula we have learned in class 9. So we are not going to learn this individual series and discrete series in class 10. Okay, so we are just going to continue the continuous series only. So in optional math, what this is needed. Okay, optional math. So let us see how the formula is created. So if you remember just the formula of Q1, then all of the formulas you can easily memorize. So just you need to memorize this one only. U1, your term of it, your box you memorize for you can easily memorize the formula of other formulas. Okay, so Q1 equals to n plus 1 by 4 divided by 4, because quartile in optional math you have learned that. So trigonometry में पढेको छु quartile भनेको चारटा quartile हुन्छ 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 quartiles are there. 90 degree कतिवटा हुन्छ in complete turn. So 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. That means altogether 490 degrees are there. That means 4 quartiles. Okay, there are 4 quartiles. The चारटा quartile चाहिँ complete एउटा 360 degree बनाउँछ. Okay, so altogether 4 numbers are there. That's why divided by 4. So if it is individual series and discrete series, we may need this in optional math. So we are teaching this formula with optional math. Okay, so math compulsory math को लागि we just need this continuous series only. याद गरिराख्नु न के फरक पर्छ. Okay, so n plus 1. Okay, n plus 1. Okay, so individual series or discrete series में चाहिँ plus 1 पनि हुन्छ. Divide by के भनेर 4 गर्ने, because there are 4 factors altogether. So यहाँ पनि यो formula same छ है, हेर्नु त. So n plus 1 by 4, n plus 1 by 4, n plus, so n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by, okay, so here is 3n plus 1 by 4, 3n plus 1 by 4, यो टाइम 3 हुन्छ ल. So now if you see properly, then n plus 1 by 4. Okay, so Q1 भएको छ. Median, if you see median भनेको कुन क्वार्टर अरे? सेकेन्ड क्वार्टर. सो यही फर्मुला n plus 1 by 4 कै फर्मुलामा, n plus 1 by 4 कै फर्मुलामा कुन क्वार्टर अरे? सेकेन्ड. त्यही भएर 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने. So if you cancel 2 and 4, then 2 1 2, 2 2 4. That means 2 हुन्छ यता. So n plus 1 by 2 is our formula. This is the formula. यो 4 चाहिँ कहाँ गयो त भन्छ भने यो 4 र 2 cancel भयो. That's why it is divided by 2. Okay, do not memorize this one, memorize just this one only. So median equals to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, th item. That's why n plus 1 by 2 th item I have written over here. So you consider formula yaad garne, I will teach you later on. Okay, so first just memorize what we have learned in class 9. So upper quartile same. Q1 को याद करूँ n plus 1 by 4, n plus 1 by 4 th item. Okay, so in case of upper quartile, okay, upper quartile में के गर्ने रे third quartile में so कुन quartile यो third, that means 3 ले multiply गर्ने. Second quartile में 2 ले multiply गर्ने. First 1 छ त्यही भएर 1 ले multiply गर्दा त्यही त हुन्छ n plus 1 by 4 हो. Okay, so 2 ले multiply गर्ने, 3 ले multiply गर्ने, 1 2 3 ले multiply गर्ने. Okay, so you will get the formula 3n plus 1 by 4 th item. 3n plus 1 by 4 th item. This is our formula for individual series and discrete series. Okay, but this we need it in optional math only now in class 10. Class 9 में भर्खरै चाहिँ option in compulsory math also we need it. Okay, but in optional math, so in compulsory math we just put continuous series only. So I'll teach you के पढ्नुपर्छ र अप्सनल म्याथको त्यहाँ चाहिँ हामी दिन्छु. ओके, सो सिम्पल तरिकाले पढौँ. ओके, सो धेरैवटा पढ्नु पर्छ. सो learn in such a way that you can memorize all the things properly. Okay, look at here now. So continuous series, how to memorize? Same for you. Okay, just remember in continuous series plus 1 will not be there. Formula के थियो त? Q1 को formula n plus 1 by 4. Remove this plus 1, it will be what? N by 4. N by 4 th item. Okay, so Q1 equals to n by 4 th item. This is the formula n by 4 th item. If you know this formula, other formulas are also same. Median को formula के अरे? So median में 2 ले multiply गर्नु पर्छ, त्यही भएर 2 and 4 will be cancelled. अनि what will be the formula? So 4 को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने? 2 लेख्ने. तल पनि के लेख्नु पर्यो? 2 लेख्नु पर्यो. So n by 2 th item. Plus 1 हुँदैन. n plus 1 by 2 को ठाउँमा n by 2 th item. Okay, यो के भएको? Addition. Okay, so Q3, what is the formula of Q3? So you need to multiply by 3. So you need to multiply by 3. So 3n by 4 th item. 3n by 4 th item is the formula of Q3. Got it? N by 4, n by 2, 3n by 4. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Hope you can memorize this one. N by 4 th item, n by 2 th item, and 3n by 4 th item. Okay, exact Q1 how to memorize? Okay, so how to memorize the exact Q1? So exact Q1 to formula here, L plus, okay, L means lower limit. Suppose there are 20 to 30 theory. 20 to 30 one sorry. Okay, 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30 to 40 isn't that? Okay, so this is the lower limit. This one, अगाडि पट्टिको जुन छ त्यसलाई भन्छ lower limit. पछाडि पट्टिकोलाई जुन छ त्यसलाई भन्छ upper limit. Okay, so while doing the solution I will teach you how to memorize this one. So lower अगाडिकोलाई lower limit, पछाडिकोलाई we call it upper limit. Okay, this is called L, this is called U. Okay, lower limit, upper limit, we need this अगाडिको. So L plus n by 4 भनेको फर्मुला के होता है? n by 4 से त्यही भएर यता n by 4 लेख्ने. Okay, L plus n by 4 minus, so minus CF गर्ने, cumulative frequency, हामीलाई यता CF चाहिन्छ. Okay, CF भनेको plus गर्ने वाला. So you have learned in class 9 also, so I will teach you, so it will be the memorization for you. Okay, CF भनेको के भनेर. So CF divided by F, F means frequency, into I means interval. What is the gap between them? 20 to 30 का gap कति छ? 30 minus 20, it is 10. Okay, so you divide on 10. Frequency, this is CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, so it is Q1. Q1 को formula के थियो? n by 4 थियो, त्यही भएर n by 4 लेख्ने. If you can just memorize this one, यति याद गर्यो भने यिनीहरु पनि सेम नै हो. Exact median को formula के होता? Okay, exact Q3 को formula के होता भन्दाखेरि same छ, L L L also. So what was the formula? N by 4, that's why n by 4. What is the formula of median? N by 2, that's why n by 2. What is the formula of Q3? So 3n by 4, that's why 3n by 4. Okay, so n by 4, n by 2, n by 2. Formula के तो त्यही लेख्ने हो. Okay, so 3n by 4 minus CF minus CF minus CF. divided by f, okay, same ratio, into I into I into I. That means if we can memorize this one, our formula k थियो त्यो अनुसार चेन्ज गर्ने रहेछ n by 4, n by 2, 3n by 4. Okay, ये चाहिँ याद गर्नु पर्यो के भन्दैछ भाइ. What is the formula of Q1? It is n by 4. What is the formula of median? N by 2. What is the formula of Q3? 3n by 4. Okay, ये 3n by 4 यता लगाउने. ये n by 2 right on this side. Right, so n by 4 right on this side. So this is how we can memorize our formula. Okay, Q1 n by 4. Exact Q1 भनेको L plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. Very गाह्रो जस्तो लाग्यो तर when you start doing it, it becomes very easy for you. This statistics is the easiest chapter of your course. That means it will come of 9 marks also, and this is the easiest course also. Okay. So exit Q1 L plus n by 4 minus CF into I divided by F. Okay. कसैले चाहिँ यो ड्यास पुरै तान्छ है होइन है. Only from here to here. n देखि CF सम्म यो ड्यास यो डिवाइड साइड. n by 4 minus CF by F into I. Okay. So let me go to the next slide. Let's copy the formula. The question now. So let us start with Q1. Okay, so Q1 was the first quartile. So how will you do it? So yesterday in case of mean chapter, so what we used to find out? We used to find out the mean value. But in case of Q1, in case of Q3, in case of median, no need to find out mid value. Mid value find out the quartile. What you need to find out? CF. Okay. What is our formula? Exact median का formula क्या था? Exact Q1 का formula क्या था? L plus n by 4. L plus n by 4 minus CF. That's why we are using CF over here. Instead of FX, we use CF. Okay. So याद करो CF use करने पड़ने की FX को FX क्या use करने? In case of mean we use it. Because what was the formula of mean? Summation Fx by n. That's why Fx निकाल्नु पर्छ. Okay. So mean मा Fx निकाल्नु कारण formula मा Fx को त्यही भएर Fx निकालेको. F into X निकालेको frequency र X ले multiply गर्नु. I think you remember it. Okay. So but in case of this Q1, okay, what is the formula of Q1? So exact Q1 को formula के छ अरे L plus n by 4 minus CF. CF. That's why we are using CF over here. Okay. So CF है त यता हामी यता CF use गर्छौं. FX होइन है. कोही कोहीले FX लगाउँछ त. FX केमा हुन्छ? Mean मा. CF केमा हुन्छ? Q1 मा पनि हुन्छ, median मा पनि हुन्छ, Q3 मा पनि हुन्छ. यो तीन जना दाजुभाइ हुनुहुन्छ. Okay. So CF लगाउने. Now what is our question? Look at here. Obtain marks times 0, 15, 15, 20, 20, 20, 25. Okay, so these are the questions. So write down okay, in form of X. Number of students, it is the number of students, this is the CF, sorry, frequency. So write down frequency. Okay, so कसलाई याद छ? How to find out CF? How we to find out the CF? Remember, in class 9 also we have done it. CF means it is a sum of frequency. Sum of frequency. के भनेको होला त sum of frequency. So write down this here. 10. See the process, right? Write down 10. We are just adding. Calculator मा कसरी युज गर्छ? Calculation कसरी गर्छ तिमीहरु? So पहिला 10 लेख्छौ. Plus 24 गर्छ. Then 26 plus also, then 20 plus also, then 20 plus. Oh, CF means also it's the same thing. We are just adding it. Okay, so it is 10. Let me show you the full question. Okay? So first of all, write down 10. Okay, now this 10, how much plus 24 plus 20. Okay, so 10 plus 24 how much? 10 plus 24? 34. See the process here. अब ये 34 और को संग प्लस करें तो 34 plus 26 is going to be 60. 34 plus 26. Calculate allowing 10 गर्ने 10 plus 24. Okay, 10 plus 24 34. 34 plus 26. Okay, you will get this number in the calculator. So 34 plus 26 60. So 60 plus 20 is going to be 80. Okay, and 80 plus 10 it is going to be how much? 100. 80 plus 20 it is going to be 100. So first of all write down 10. 10 plus 24 34. 34 plus 26 60. 60 plus 20 80. 80 plus 20 100. You're just adding the numbers. Are you understanding or not? Ignition, right? So how to find out CF? Well, at 10 लिखने. Okay. So whatever number you get over here, त्यो सँग 24 plus करने, यो plus कर देने. 20 plus 20, 10 plus 24 34. Calculator में कसरी गर्छ एक एकवटा number. So you got 34 in your calculator. Calculator screen ma you got 34. 34. So 34 plus what is the next number? 34 plus next number is 26. Okay, call up the number plus plus 10 24 34. 34 plus 26. 34 plus 26. How much will you get in the calculator? You'll get 60. Okay, फेरि तिम्रो क्याल्कुलेटरमा 60 आउँछ. एन्सरमा 60 हुन्छ. अब फेरि प्लस गर्ने त्यो 60 टाइप गरिराख्नु पर्दैन. इफ यु राइट डाउन प्लस तिमीहरूको इन द स्क्रिन इट विल कम एन्सर. ओके, एन्सर भनेको यही 60 त हो नि. 60 त हो नि माथिहरूको. whatever you got answer just before, so that is the answer. Okay, so whatever 60 you got it, 60 plus what is the next number? 20. 60 plus 20 is going to be 80. So 80 plus 20 it is going to be 100. Okay, in this way you need to find out this value. Anyone who has not understood, please say. Otherwise, let me show you with the help of my calculator. Where is the calculator? Okay. So I got a calculator with me. Suppose what were the numbers? Okay, so this is the total calculator over here. Suppose what were the numbers? Okay, so there was 10, 24, 26, 20, 20, isn't it? So how will you add this number? Well, at 10 let me. Okay, in the side. You know 10 plus what? 10 plus 24. 10 plus 24 equals to, you got 34. Okay, so 34 फेरि लेखिराख्ने हैन माथि. Just write down plus. That 34 will go in the answer now. Okay, 34 will go in answer. 34 answer ma आयो plus. Okay, so 34 you need to add with what? 26. 26 equals to, you got 60, isn't it? Of 60 you need to multiply with, so you need to add with what? You need to add with 20. So plus 20. So very plus गर्ने. Okay, no need to write on that 60 again. Plus 20, you got 80. Okay, after getting 80, then what is the next number? You got 20, isn't it? 80 plus 20. Again add 20. Okay, so what you got it? You got 100. Okay, in this way you need to get the answer. Is it okay or not? So n means 100. Okay, 100 divided by 4 means 25. 25th item. Now you need to see this 25th in CF. This is not our answer, right? Our answer also exact ma nikalnu baki cha. So this is not our answer. So 25th, where is 25? Okay, so you need to see in CF. So CF दियो number भन्दा अलिकति ठुलो हुनु पर्यो. Looking at CF, the number greater than 25. So 25 भन्दा ठुलो कुन छ हैन त? CF, which is greater than 25? So your 34 is greater than 25. So which number is greater than 25? So 34 is greater than 25. Okay, so 25 भन्दा ठुलो 34 छ. Suppose if there is 52, then कुन number छ 52? 52 भन्दा ठुलो कुन हो? 34 हैन 60 हो. Okay, so it's, suppose 92 छ अरे. Where is the number greater than 92? 92 भन्दा ठुलो कुन हो? 92 भन्दा ठुलो यतापट्टि छ 100 is greater than 90. So 100 is greater than 92. So you need to circle this one. Okay. So here, so the number greater than 25. If there is 25, here 25 is 25 line circle on. Okay. Either equal हुनु पर्यो either. So it should be greater than 25. So that one. Okay. So 25 भन्दा ठुलो कुन छ अरे? So 10 is smaller than 25. So 34 is greater than 25. So 34 is ठुलो छ. So let us circle this number. You cannot do highlight over here, okay, as I have shown in the computer, okay, in the screen. So what you do? So you circle this box. Let's circle the object. Okay, that means where does our median? So Q1 lies. Q1 का पर तो this by Q1 lies between 15 to 20. हाम्रो answer यहाँ देखिए यहाँ के बीच में रहेगा 15 to 20 के बीच में रहेगा. So we don't know where it is, but we know that it lies between 15 to 20. के भन्नु हामीले 25 का पर्यो 25 भन्दा ठुलो it is 34. So 34 भनेपछि so let us circle it. You will get this number. Now, so where does our median lies? So Q1 lies. Q1 lies between 25 to Q1 lies between. So your circle में क्या पड़े था 15 to 20 का पड़े. That means Q1 lies between 15 to 20 class. Okay. Just 10 minutes. Okay. So after that, exact Q1 equals to write down the formula L plus N by 4 minus CF into I. So L, what is the value of L? Lower limit. कता छ त? हाम्रो यो box को which one is lower limit? L के भन्नु L के भन्नु भने त मैले this one is the lower limit, this one is the upper limit. 15 lower, 20 upper. Okay, so that means L भनेको न 15 to 20. It is 15. Okay, so L is 15. सबभन्दा सानो जुन 15 छ 15 लाई लेख्ने plus N by 4. What is the value of N by 4? N by 4 भनेको 25. Okay, N by 4 means 100 by 4, 100 by 4 means 25 like here. See that how much you got the value. So you already got 25, so let us write on 25 minus CF. So remember this one now. जुन सबै number यो box को लेख्ने तर CF चाहिँ we need to write on above this one. Always write on the preceding number. Preceding means माथिको. Pre means अगाडिको number लेख्ने. CF मा 34 लेख्ने होइन. Do not write down the CF of this box. Write down just above one. Okay, अगाडिको माथिको चाहिँ लेख्ने. So which one is CF now? CF is 10. हामीले किन 10 लेखेको त? 34 किन नलेखेको त? If you write on 34, then 25 minus 34 हुन्छ. सानो नम्बरले माइनस गर्ने होइन. Okay, so if you subtract with 34, answer will come in minus. Okay, so always remember when you subtract it, you must get in plus. That means you need to get the number in plus. 25 minus 34 and the minus also. Minus something will happen. Will come. Minus 9 also. Okay, that's right. So 25 minus. Always repeat that 25 on the same number. Which one is smaller than 25? 25 on the same number. 34 in माथि को चाहिँ लिने. CF भनेको जहिले पनि माथिको. preceding 10 लिने. 10 लिने. Divided by F. F पनि कसको लिने? Box को लिने. What is the value of f? 24. F is 24. So divide by 24 into I means what? I means the gap. I is the gap. So what is the value of I? That means what is the gap between them? 15 to 20 the gap what is that? 20 minus 15, 5. That means write down 5. Suppose 10 to 20 are 10 to 20 का gap what is 10. That means write down 10. Suppose 20, suppose 60 to 80 are. What is the gap between them? 60 to 80. What is the gap? 80 minus 60 how much? It is going to be 20. So write down 20. What is the gap, sir? So I means the gap, interval. Okay, so what is the gap? Here there is a gap of 5, so write down 5 over here. Now just we need to subtract them. 15 25 minus 10 it is going to be 15. 15 by 24 into I into 5. 5 is the gap. Okay, so multiply it, divide it, you will get 3.125. Okay, and add this number, you will get 18.125. So this is going to be our answer. Okay, so let us not kill the time. Let us go to the next question. So similar type of question. So median कसरी निकाल्ने? Okay, so median पनि same नै हो. फर्मुला मात्र चेन्ज हो नि. Okay, formula मात्र अलिकति चेन्ज हो. सबै गर्ने तरिका everything is same. Okay, so here also I have done the same thing. Okay, so अघिकै question हो यो. So 15 to 15, 15 20. Okay, same thing is there. Frequency is also same thing. Frequency पनि त्यही लेख्ने हो. CF कसरी निकाल्ने? I have already told you. Plus गर्ने हो. 10 10 plus 24 34 34 plus 26 60 60. I will send you the photo. Okay, copy afterwards. So 20 80 plus 20 it will be 100. Okay, just see how it is done. 100 हुन्छ. So n is how much? 100. Okay, the value of n is 100. So what is the formula of median? N by 2. N by 2. Okay, so what is the value of n? N is 100. So 100 by 2 garne. 100 by 2 means 50. 50th item. Okay, 50th item. So 50 भन्दा ठुलो कता छ अब? खोज्नु त 50 CF मा खोज्ने. यो TH item always seen CF. 50 भन्दा ठुलो कता छ? 50 भन्दा ठुलो, 50 भन्दा ठुलो 60 रहेछ हैन त. So 34 भनेको सानो, 34 भन्दा अलिकति ठुलो कुनै 60 रहेछ. That means you need to circle this one. 50 भन्दा ठुलो it is 60. So circle this one. Looking at CF, number greater than 50th item is 60. 50 भन्दा अलिकति ठुलो 60 रहेछ. Suppose if it is 71, 71 भन्दा ठुलो 80, 80 रहेछ. हाम्रो लेखा हुन्छ. Okay. So जुनमा पर्यो 60 मा पर्यो भने circle this box. Okay, that means which one? So कुन limit मा पर्यो त? कति class मा पर्यो? It lies between 20 to 25 class. Median lies between 20 to 25 class. ल जुनमा पर्छ त्यसको क्लास लेख्दिने. This is the class 20 to 25 class. अब यहीँबाट तिमीहरूको एन्सर निस्किन्छ. So exact median equals to L plus N by 2 TH item. Okay, N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. Okay, N by 2 minus CF divided by I. L means lower limit. See the box now. Or gain N box. Which one is the lower limit? 20. Okay, suppose यहाँ पर इतने 15, यहाँ पर इतने 25, यहाँ पर इतने 30. See the lower limit. 20 is the lower limit. Okay, your box to lower limit 20. 20 plus N by 2. What is the value of N by 2? N by 2 the value of this it is 50. 50 minus CF भनेको जहिले पनि कहाँ हुनु पर्ने रे? CF जहिले पनि माथिल्लो हुन्छ. CF always remember है, always it will be above this one only. Your box को माथिल्लो हुन्छ. 34 is the CF. So write down CF 34 divided by frequency तो यही box में हुन्छ. What is the CF? Sorry, what is the frequency? 26. Write down 26 into I means gap, interval. What is the interval? Gap का because of 20, 25 minus 20, 5 तो gap sir. Okay, so gap of 5. Now just subtract it. Okay, subtract, multiply when it, you get the answer. 25, 23.07. Our answer. Okay, in this way we will get our answer. Okay, I'll send you the tweet afterwards. No, so I just have 3 minutes remaining now. Let me go to the next script. So Q3 पनि कसरी निकाल्ने हेरिहालौँ. सेम छ है, गर्ने तरिका सबै सेम छ. जस्ट फर्मुलाको अलिकति डिफरेन्सले गर्दाखेरि answer अलिकति अरू आउँछ. Everything is same. Okay, so let us go to the next clip. So third quartile means Q3. Q3. So this is X, this is F. So write down as it is. अघिकै question हो. I have not changed anything in the question. Okay, just यो माथिको Q1, Q2, Q3 मात्रै I have changed. Okay, so CF कसरी निकाल्ने I have already told you. So this is 10. So 10 plus 24, 34, 34 plus 26, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. So यो 100 यहाँ लेख्ने. N equals to 100. Okay, so I just have 2 minutes now. So now Q3 the formula के अरे 3n by 4 ts item. 3n by 4 ts item. If you see the formula, you will see it. Okay, 3n by 4 ts item. So n को ठाउँमा 100 लेख्ने 100. Okay, divide by 4, divide by 4. So 100 divided by 4, 25. 25 into 3, because 3 पनि छ नि त त. So 3 into 25, 75. अब त्योहरुको फेरि लजिक लगाउनु त 25 भनेको कहाँ हेर्नु पर्ने अरे CF मा हेर्नु पर्ने. XF into CF. 75 छ भने 75 लाई सर्कल गर्ने. बट 75 छैन भने के गर्ने? So circle the bigger number, greater number. 75 भन्दा ठुलो कता छ? Which number is greater than 75? 60 त अहिले 60 भन्दा ठिक माथि यतापटि 80 रहेछ. Okay, so circle this box. Okay, अब यो सर्कल गरेपछि आन्सर सबै आउँछ. It lies where? It lies between 25 to 30 class. Q3 lies between 25 to 30 class. So you 25 to 35 percent that's all. Okay, let's have 1 minute now. Now, exact Q3 equals to L plus 3n by 4. Okay, minus CF divided by F into I. Either 3n by 4 को मात्रै फरक छ because Q3 is 3n by 4. That's why we are writing 3n by 4. Lower limit. अब just follow this box. Which one is lower? 25 is lower. Okay, your box में सानो यो छ. 30 is upper, your lower. 25 plus 3n by 4. What is the value of 3n by 4? 3n by 4 को value कति छ? 75. 75 minus CF भनेको जहिले पनि माथिल्लो हुन्छ. Okay, which one is CF? 60. Right on 60. Divide by frequency. Frequency is कति छ? 20. Right on 20 into 5. Okay, जहिले पनि कट हुन्छ चाहिँ less than 1. Now 75 minus 60, it is only 15. 15 divided by 20. Okay, so it's now simplify मात्र बाँकी छ. अनि त्यसपछि cancel everything, you will get 3.75. Okay, and add it, you will get 28.